happened to you? Yes. This? Well, I have something. I have a tutorial here. Wait. She took this first, then just make sides. Then and then find first yellow and blue, then find orange and green. I think orange, green, I mean blue and orange. Then bura bomba. And find white and blue. This ever falls. I can try again. Find red and blue. Yeah. This, okay, like this. Then fill up the corners. Then fill up these. Yeah. Like this. Put them, then boom. Done. And sorry guys, put this first, then this, because it's more easy. In the corners! Should be easy. I'm gonna speed run this because I'm almost out of time. Come on. May ganda gara yun. Oh, wrong spot. Guess I'm gonna cut it. Final one. This should be easy. Come on. Wait, guys. Okay, we did it. Oh wait. Oh no. Come on, let's fix it. We did it. Goodbye, guys. I ran out of time, so bye. Goodbye.